Hi guys, we're going to be talking about our next project, which is called the Abandoned Wonders Project. And this assignment involves research. And you'll notice here on the Schoology page, there is a new folder that says Abandoned Wonders. If you're looking for anything from week one, those materials have been moved to the week one materials folder. So we click on Abandoned Wonders here. And we're going to focus on this video on items 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. So item 2 is an Abandoned Places YouTube video. And so if you click on that, it takes you to a YouTube video called Top 10 Creepiest Abandoned Places Around the World. It's a Watch Mojo video. Some of you might be familiar with that. Very popular YouTube channel. And so this is just going to give you an overview of some of the places that you can possibly use for this research assignment. I recommend you jot down the names of these places. Some of them are not on the other list on the assignment sheet. So if they catch your attention, you will want to um, put that on a piece of paper for later reference. Okay, so that video is our starting point. That's kind of our introduction to abandoned places. We're going to learn about some of the most famous abandoned places in that video. All right. Now, the second resource I have here for you is this Abandoned Wonders research list. And so we click on this, and it brings up an assignment sheet. And it gives you a list of some of the best known abandoned places: Mesa Verde, Machu Picchu, Kolmanskop, which you would recognize Kolmanskop from the video. So our first step after you select one of these locations is to do some internet research. So you're going to Google your location. You're going to find at least 2 good resources that you can do for this assignment. And then on a Word document or a sheet of notebook paper, you're going to take 1 page of notes. This would just be key information about your place, some facts, some stories about the place. We just want to get that down so you have that information. All right. So at this point, you've watched the video, you've selected a place either from the video or from this list, and then you also did some preliminary internet research. You Googled your place, you found at least 2 good resources, and took a page of notes. Your next step, all right? I'm not going to physically collect your notes or have you take a screenshot of them or a photo of them. What we're going to do is I want you to be a little bit selective. So I want you to look over your notes, and you're going to go to this discussion board that says 3 facts about your abandoned place. You're going to look over your notes, and you're going to select 3 facts that you think your classmates would find interesting, and you're going to share those here. You'll type them in to the discussion, and you, of course, will click post when done. All right. Now, this is the early stages of this assignment. All right. So I'll basically be doing a checkpoint, and this 3 facts about your abandoned place is a checkpoint to make sure you've reached this step in your progress. You will get points for that. As far as the big project, we're not going to talk about that yet, but you have the initial stages ready here, and you know what you need to do. Watch the video again, go to the research list and select a place either from the list or from the video, and then you also are going to do some research and take a page of notes, And then your kind of exit ticket at this point of the assignment, how you're going to show me what you've learned, is you're going to go to this discussion, 3 facts about your abandoned place, and you will post your 3 facts in the discussion.